How you can download and install Antigravity by Google on your Mac. So first step is to open antigravity.google, and here you're gonna see download section. You can click on download in the right upper corner area or download for macOS. If you are on Windows, it's gonna be here like download for Windows. So click on it and choose the macOS version. Also, you should know if you have the Apple Silicon or Intel chip on your Mac. If you don't know, go to your Apple logo, click on About this Mac, and here you will see Silicon or Intel chip. So I got the Apple Silicon, so I'm going to click that. Save it to your Mac and wait until it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, open the file and grab the Antigravity and move it to your applications. Now you can open your applications and now find it, double click it, and it's gonna open you your Antigravity app. You have to open it. Now you want to log in with your Google account. Now I'm here, you have to agree with terms, click on next. You can select the light or dark mode. Now you can select the plugins which you want and click on finish. And now your Antigravity app was successfully installed on your MacBook and you can use it. Also, you can add it to your dock, right click, options, and keep it dock. So once you close it, you can always launch it here in your dock. Here you can always change the model. I got also cloud, so I can use cloud here. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.